Hi guys, here we are at the Andaz Maui at Wailea Resort, which is located in the Wailea section in southwest Maui on the beach. And I wanted to give you a little room tour. We are in a king bed ocean view room. So when you first walk in, you kind of see these louvered doors here, which actually lead to the bathroom. It's almost kind of like Asian inspired. I know with Andaz, it's kind of like a Zen concept, and you can walk in here. You have a bathroom, a single sink with your toiletries, sink area, and actually the shower stall is back here, which you can open these doors that face out the window towards your bed. And you have a really large shower area. Also have here, this becomes one big wall of white, toilet area, as well as the closet, which has space for your luggage storage. They have one luggage rack here, another one that's mobile, and everything. And then down here you have your drawer safe. And then from here you can see that they delivered our bags for us. The rooms are not that large compared to other hotels. You do have a full-length mirror, desk area with a live wood edge. And here we do have a coffee station with an espresso, ice bucket, small TV, which I believe, yeah, you can rotate this out towards your bed. Small sitting area. And then over here is the bed, which you can see here is where you open up from your shower to see out the window. And over here you can see they have automatic blinds. The switch is right by your bedside, so that right away in the morning you can open it up and get your view from your bed. Now this is considered an ocean view room, which you can see the ocean, but it's kind of a little bit in the distance on an angle. Let me open this up. Here's all the pools. You do have two chairs with a little table for you to hang out on. The balcony is actually really large, but the room itself to me is a little bit small, but fine if this is what you're looking for. The Andaz itself is a little bit more kind of quiet resort. I know that they're really well known for their kids club. I do see some families with children here, but not that many. I would say it's more of a honeymoon spot, anniversary spot. It is really quiet by the pools, by the beach. The lobby, everything's kind of just like zen, quiet, relaxing. So if that's what you're going for your Hawaii vacation and you're just looking for a nice relaxing stay, I think it'd be a nice place for you. If you'd like to see some more videos like this in the future, hotel room tours, trip reports in different locations around the world, please give a thumbs up to this video and like and subscribe if you don't mind. It would really help out my channel. Thank you.